my name is Erika Wolf. I'm an instructor at the Crescent School of Gaming and Bartending in Las Vegas, Nevada. And today we are going to cover outside bets on the game of roulette. To get started, we are going to start with these three on the outside. As you can see, we have three different spots and each of them say 2 to 1. Whenever it comes to placing any bets on these spots, you must place a bet at table minimum. So if your table minimum is $5, if you want to play any one of these spots, you must have $5. So each one of these covers the column. So if I had a bet here, this covers all of these numbers up to 3. It does not include the zeros. This column takes up all of these numbers up to 2. We are not including the zeros. The third one takes up this column. And again, we're ending at 1. We're not including zeros. So if we were to spin the ball and we had a number hit, like 8, for example, that means this bet here would win. And it would win 2 to 1, just like it shows here. So $5 bet would win 2 to 1 on these outside column bets. So this is a column bet. So let's move on to this area here. So you're probably wondering why I'm starting here instead of here, and it's because the payouts are the same. So as you can see, we have first 12, second 12, third 12. It's actually first dozen, second dozen, and third dozen. The third dozen covers this entire section, and if you look, you can see there's like a little bit of a bigger line here to kind of show you that. Keep in mind, not all tables have that. Second dozen covers all of these numbers. First dozen, all of these numbers. And remember, we do not include zeros in that. The zeros here are considered an inside bet, so this is not included with these spots here. So again, if you're going to place a bet here, it must be at table minimum. And if it was to hit, for example, if we had 29 hit, that means anything in the third dozen would win, and you would receive 2 to 1. And finally, our even money bets. 19 to 36. This one covers half of the table. Odds, about half of the numbers. And keep in mind, even in odds, don't include the zeros. And then we have black for any of the black numbers. Red for any numbers that are red. Even. And then 1 through 18, which takes up the other half of the layout. Any of these spots hit, it's going to be even money. So to review, these are called column bets, and they receive 2 to 1. These are dozens. They also receive 2 to 1. And any of these bets here will receive even money. So if you want to learn about inside bets, please check our video over here. And if you liked what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments below if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Talk to you later. Till next time.